Software deployment is the process of making software available to be used on a system by users and other programs. You might deploy software to create a backup copy of the software, to move the software to another system, or to create another SMPE serviceable copy for installing service or other products. Model building refers to the technique of constructing three-dimensional models to recover the spatial layout of learned or remembered environments, particularly useful for visually impaired or blind populations. Valuation is a systematic determination of a subject's merit, worth, and significance using criteria governed by a set of standards. The primary purpose of evaluation, in addition to gaining insight into prior or existing initiatives,